this magic is called the whisper. So now there is one dice inside the box. Everybody can see. You can keep any number you like in this box. 1 second, give. So now there is 6, right? So now I'll close the lid and shake it once, and I will be knowing the next number. So when the dice will whisper to me, so that's called a whisper. So would you have a go to for guessing it? Which number it is?
It was 6 now. Now I guess it must be 1.
Let me have a go. I think it is 2. Everybody consider it's 2. So now in this magic, there is also one dice. You need to keep the dice inside the box, any number you like, and then close the cap. So I won't see the number. After I keep it inside this, I will be knowing which number you kept. So you have to keep one number in the box, but you should not tell me. You have to close the cap and give me. So now the number you kept will come into my mind. I'm reading. I think the number you kept was 3.
How is that possible? How is that possible?
It's a magic trick.
Thank you. Super.
Thank you.
Practice.